public health students, no matter the school you are in, the country that you are located, here are 5 advice I have for you. Now, 1, put your head down and learn. Learn every tiny bit of thing you can learn. It might look like so much or it might not be important, but trust me, everything that you think is not important comes back to be important one way or the other. 2, during your posting or your internship, please be active. Learn the nitty-gritties of every department or every office you enter. Learn in detail because this practical experience would help you. It will showcase you. 3, make friends and build networks while you are in school, during your internship, during your postings. It matters a lot. They would help you vastly. I'll give you an example of my undergrad. There was a girl, she was in nursing science, and she had a clique of friends. Then I used to play basketball and she had a clique of friends, Adaoji. Ada and her friends were mostly in nursing science. Now, when they left university, I chatted with Ada 1 or 2 times and I found out that Ada relocated abroad through her parents, and other of her friends too relocated. For me, I felt it was a network that they built in university then that helped them to be able to relocate to get better opportunities and in different areas of their life. Till date, I still admire Adaoji and her clique of friends because those girls shook me in different form. Like, I was not close to them, but I just admired Ada. So I practically watched her and her clique of friends build networks. Build networks. It is important. 4, be futuristic. Think beyond getting a degree. Public health is more than just getting a degree. The public health degree you're getting will give you much more openings, much doors, much more attention and privileges in different areas of your life. So don't be stuck to looking at now and the quote-unquote degree. No, it's not just about you going to school to get a degree. It's about you doing far more than that. So be futuristic. 5, share your story. Yes, this is the part that interests me because sharing your story, I would love you to share your story online. Just the way I'm sharing these stories with you, share your story online. Content creation is an amazing skill or tool you can use to elevate yourself. I have few doctors who are still in school, or doctors in the making that are still in school that share their stories, that share online. Look at Messi the influencer. Faith Artist, Pens and Imaginations. I think she's also called Mini Celeb. There's Chike the creator. I think there's Meshki, if I'm correct. These are different doctors who share their stories, or doctors in the making because they are still students and they still share their process. So share. Now, if you're looking for a way to start up content creation, and you're like, where will I start from? Chill, I got you covered. I can't make this video without getting you covered for content creation. Last week, I joined an amazing platform, and this platform is practically giving you knowledge overload because you get to put in the work and you get to be rewarded for creating content every month. Now, that platform, it's profiting. You have more than 30 videos that you can go back to binge watch. Some of those videos are as long as 6 hours. Take your time, watch those videos from beginning till the end. When they say take a break, you can fast forward it, but then continue watching. This platform, I am on it, and I can also guide you to start up. To register for this platform, go to my link in bio and click on the link and click on Learn Content Creation. If you can't go there, just comment content creation and I will send you a DM with a link on how to start up. Listen, content creation is a big business. It's key. You need to share your story. You could share about your daily life as a student. You could share about the ups and downs you're noticing. Even doctors too are content creators. Look at our Proco doctor. Yeah, he's doing well. A doctor in Nigeria. Look at Dr. Mike. Yeah, I think he's on YouTube and also on Instagram. Check out their pages. These are doctors that are creating amazing content. So if you know you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and follow me. Please, I'm trying to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers before June. I guess I can do that with you. Thank you.